All right, good morning, good morning, good morning. What a great day it is today. And we got some word or a word for today because it was cold outside today. Well, not super cold, but it snowed all day, which was kind of beautiful, kind of amazing here in Denver, Colorado. But the word for today is Hyperborean. 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 That's Hyperborean, which just means it makes you shiver. It's cold. The characteristic of the far north, even though we're not that far north, right? But Hyperborean is the word for today. I hope that you can say, hey, I went to play outside and I so hope that it's Hyperborean. And so maybe however that you say it or however that you want to remind your folks, instead of just saying I'm cold and I'm shiver, oh man, it's so Hyperborean outside. How about you say it that way? All right, you guys have an amazing, awesome just day today, and we will have another word for you tomorrow.